Number 5. REDTIGER 4K F7N Touch Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam captures your drives in stunning 4K UHD front and 1080p rear resolution. With Starvis 2 sensors, 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lenses, plus WDR and HDR technology, it delivers clear, detailed footage day or night. Voice control and a smart touchscreen make hands-free operation simple, allowing you to lock emergency videos, activate Wi-Fi, or capture scenic moments with a single command. Multiple control options ensure flexibility and safety on every drive. Built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi let you track routes, speed, and location while downloading recordings at ultra-fast 20 megabytes per second. Loop recording with a G-sensor automatically protects important footage, preventing overwrites during events. 24-hour parking monitoring provides motion and collision detection, while time-lapse mode records continuous surveillance when your vehicle is parked. Number 4. ROVE 2-4K Pro Dash Cam. The ROVE 2-4K Pro Dash Cam captures every drive in stunning 4K UHD at 30 frames per second, with super night vision and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens for full road coverage. WDR, f1.5 aperture, and Sony IMX335 sensor ensure bright, detailed footage in any lighting. Built-in GPS tracks routes, speed, and compass data directly on your videos, providing precise evidence for every journey. Loop recording with G-sensor and emergency video lock keeps crucial clips safe from overwrites during collisions or sudden events. Advanced 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi let you pair your smartphone via the ROVE app to preview, download, and share videos instantly, while also managing settings and firmware updates effortlessly. The 24-hour parking mode offers motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse recording, giving your vehicle continuous surveillance even when parked. A supercapacitor ensures long-lasting, reliable performance on every drive. Number 3. PRUVEEO 360-degree View 4-channel Dash Cam. The PRUVEEO 360 degrees 4-channel Dash Cam records front, rear, left, and right in FHD 1080p, covering every angle with no blind spots. Adjustable front lenses and interior monitoring ensure complete 360-degree protection around your vehicle. Built-in GPS logs real-time location, speed, time, and routes, while the GPS video player lets you track trips and confirm exact positions for any incident. Wi-Fi connectivity allows instant downloads and easy sharing on iOS or Android devices, keeping your footage accessible anywhere. Time-lapse parking mode, loop recording, and crash lock protect critical footage, while the f1.8 aperture and infrared lights provide sharp night vision. Number 2. IIWEY N5 4-channel Dash Cam. The IIWEY N5 4-channel Dash Cam captures front, rear, left, right, and interior in FHD 1080p for complete 360 degrees coverage. Super wide-angle lenses and adjustable mounts ensure every angle is covered, giving full protection around your vehicle. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi pairs with the free app for Android and iOS, allowing fast video preview, download, and sharing. Loop recording with the included 128 GB SD card ensures continuous recording, while G-sensor emergency lock protects critical footage during impacts. 24-hour parking mode offers time-lapse and impact detection, keeping your car monitored while parked. The supercapacitor design handles extreme heat, providing reliable, long-lasting performance for every drive. Number 1. TERUNSOul D016 Dash Cam. The TERUNSOul D016 Dash Cam records front and rear in stunning 4K, capturing every detail with a 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens. Loop recording with the pre-installed 128 GB card ensures continuous footage, while the G-sensor locks collision videos automatically to protect crucial evidence. Enhanced WDR and Super Starlight Night Vision deliver clear, vibrant recordings in low-light conditions. Ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and the TERUNSOul app let you preview, download, and share videos instantly on iOS or Android devices. Built-in GPS logs real-time speed, routes, and location for added evidence, while 24-hour parking mode with time-lapse and G-sensor monitoring protects your car even when parked.